So I just got this for Christmas from my brother. So I put that down there. And let's open the door. So right now, since I'm re-recording this, there is stuff here, so it's a semi-empty house tour, but we're gonna do it anyways. So this is the living room. And midnight. And we'll go to this side. Ooh. Then here's the dining area. Right here. It's very simple. And then here is outside. Have a decent sized backyard. And moving into the kitchen. One thing that I really like about this kitchen are those big cabinets. Let's show you this. There's not a lot of cabinet space in here. So my plan is to build a kitchen island to go in here. Let me just show you inside the cabinets up top. Cabinets down below. Have a standard dishwasher. But yeah, no cabinet space. This is what I plan on putting on the cabinets to make it match my vibe a little better. And then there's a small pantry right here. And then just a big space up there, which will probably be like seasonal type of things, perhaps. This small area is where the stove is. So my plan is to push the stove that way up against the wall and put the kitchen island on the side of the stove. And so, you know, that way I can pull it out if I need to, blase, blase. Then we have our fridge right here. Then this door takes us to the basement and the garage. So there's nothing right here. I'm not sure if I'll even put anything right there since the door is there. There is this built-in unit right here, and I'll get a better view of that really quickly. So that's the built-in unit. This takes us outside to kind of like a side area where the trash can is located. Come on, move. This is like the hardest door to close. And right here, this is the door to the garage. I don't think that there is a light in the garage. Right now I have a box from my bed chilling right here until it's trash day. But yeah, I don't see a light in here, so I don't know, y'all, okay? I'm new to the garage life, but this is the garage. Low key, I like this background. Like, I could probably get some cute themed pictures. But yeah, let's go midnight. Come on. All right. And down this way is the basement, and there's a little string because there are no lights in the basement. This basement, I don't think, was made for, you know, stuff to be here. I don't know. So there's that string, and then there's this string to turn on that light. So when we come down here, eventually, well, actually tomorrow, this is where the washer and dryer is gonna go. So I'm thinking of making this like a little laundry space. Maybe put like a folding table type of thing right there. But yeah, and then I kind of want to get some like foam or a divider type of thing and kind of divide this off right here and turn this into like an office space, even though I don't see myself being down here in this basement often because it's a little sketch. But if I need to do that, then I will do that. Because when I start fostering, the room upstairs, the extra room is going to be turned into a kid's room. And so then there's this area over here, which there is a light as well. These were here when I came, but I'm gonna ask my landlord, like, what's up with these pallets? Can I move them? Can I have them? Because if that's the case, this would make some great like outdoor table furniture or something like that. Or I don't know, we'll see though. But I just want to clear this out, throw some wallpaper up because there is a plug-in right there. So throw some wallpaper up, put a TV down here, put a like a futon or a pull-out couch down here, and kind of make this like a family room / guest room. But this definitely is gonna need heaters down here because it is cold as heck down here. So let me turn this light off. Come on, Midnight, let's go. All right. Whew. So going upstairs, finally. So coming upstairs, we have our thermostat right there. And not Midnight crawling up the stairs, y'all. And then the stairs go like this. Whew. And the first room is the bathroom. I've already started to put some stuff in here. Whew, yeah, I'm out of breath. But it's not finalized, so don't come for me. But I have my painting up there from @BriaPaints on Instagram. If I remember, I will put her name on here or link in the bio. And then this painting right here is gonna go up here adjacent to that. And I already have my tissue right here, and that basket is from Target. So we have that, this mirror. Can you see the theme that I'm going for? Kind of throughout the whole house, to be honest. And here's the bathtub. Then we have this beautiful, beautiful closet. But before we get there, we also have some shelving in here and down here as well. But in this closet, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So, I'm trying to get a good view of this, but that's a rack right there, so I could like hang clothes in here if I need to. I want to do something with like the towels, perhaps. Hang something in there so that we could put our towels there after they're used, because that's going to be decorative. So we need a place for towels. And then definitely going to put a laundry hamper up here, probably over in this area for dirty clothes. But yeah, I really love these. I really love this closet. I got this from Burlington's, actually. Dude, he's following me everywhere, and then will get so close to me and then skirt off when I accidentally touch him. But anyways, Burlington's. But yeah, and then there's a window in here as well. This is like probably my favorite feature of this house, to be honest. All right, and now the rooms. So this is the extra room, which is going to probably serve as an office until I start fostering. I do already have a bed for my foster kids, so the bed will be set up, and then I'll have my desk and stuff set up as well, because it's just a small kids bed. And then there is their closet. I got some hangers in here from my old house because I switched my hangers. Bruh, stop getting so close to me. One thing that I also enjoy is that there's a freaking light and ceiling fan in here. In the last 2 apartments I've been in, Actually, no, that's a lie. In the last apartment, there wasn't a light in the room, in the bedroom. So I had to just put a light in there and kind of make do. And then there's these nice big bright windows where you can see out to the backyard. I love these blinds too. They're really, really pretty. But okay, moving along to my room. I already have my bed set up. I actually set this up yesterday with my friend. And yeah, this is my bedroom. Love this 3 windows, even though with my bed facing, like with the headboard facing the 3 windows, there's just not enough room because my dresser is probably going to go right there. And then I'm going to have like a little desk vanity going on right there as well. So it's best that that goes right there. But I might center it because I want to put my side tables on the side, but I don't know if I'll have space with my dresser. But anyways, getting off topic. Here's closet number 1. This is it finalized. I don't know what's going to go where. I don't know yet. So we have that closet. And then we have this closet as well. So I'm thinking this might be for like tops and bottoms in here, and then maybe my shoes can go up there. But I have a lot more shoes than just the shoes that were put in here. Like I have more shoes than just that, so I don't know. I also have like scarves and stuff that I'm thinking we'll put up there, like my scarves and my hats, and then put like my purses that I use often here. And then I don't know, man, my other purses are gonna have to go somewhere else. I don't know, we'll figure it out when it gets to that point. But yeah, that's the end of this tour. Oh, this bed, before I forget, came from Wayfair. It's by a brand called Coaster. I highly do not recommend that you get this bed because the instructions were terrible. Nothing was labeled correctly. And so it took us a long time to put it together. And if you get a bed like this, you definitely need a power drill because there are certain pieces that you have to screw in, but there are not preset holes like these and other places as well. There's not preset holes, so it takes a long time to screw those in. Long time and a lot of power, which I do not have. But yeah, so I wouldn't, or if you were to order it, get it pre-assembled, like get it assembled, let them do the work for you. But yeah, so that was the empty house tour. Do you hear this echo? That's crazy. But I'm excited to bring you all on this journey with me to putting this together. You'll actually see me putting together my bed soon because it's already here. So I'm excited about that. But this is my home. I'm so excited. Now that basement, y'all already know that basement has to be redone. Like I cannot, it's not gonna stay like that. Like I already been pinning stuff and have plans for that basement area because I feel like it's a really good area. So I need to get all of those crates or whatever they're called out of there and fix it up, clean up some of the spider webs and stuff. You know what I'm saying? So if you like these type of videos, make sure that you are subscribed and make sure that you turn on your post notifications so that you are notified every time that I upload a new video. I am so excited for this new series on my channel, and I hope you are too. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.